Assistive technology in the classroom is a device, piece of equipment, or a system which helps a student with learning disability work around their challenges in order to function and perform better as a student. Assistive technology will ultimately help a student become a more successful and productive student in the classroom and help them gain confidence and independence. Assistive technology and applications for reading. There is a wide range of tools available for students who struggle with reading. While each tool is different, many work in a way of presenting text as speech. These tools can help facilitate decoding, reading fluency, and comprehension. The types of assistive technology for reading. The first one I'm going to cover is text-to-speech. This one is a really simple and easy tool to work. It's called text-to-speech, and it lets kids see text and hear it read out loud at the same time. This can be used by highlighting words on the computer, and then the words are read by a computer-generated voice. This can be used with books, emails, web pages, and any digital text. This can also be used to convert text files into audio files. The next form of assistive technology is audiobooks. Audiobooks and digital text-to-speech books allow for kids to hear books read aloud. It is helpful for some students to read along with the book so they are able to see the words at the same time. Next is optical character recognition. Optical character recognition reads aloud text from images or pictures. Students who may have a reading issue can use OCR by taking photos of worksheets and other documents. They can even use it on things like street signs, which is a really neat factor. Another really cool type of assistive technology that I've never heard of is something called a paper-based computer pen. This technology records and links audio to what a person is writing using pen and special paper. This enables the user to take notes while also recording someone speaking. This user can later listen to any section of their notes by touching their pen to the corresponding handwriting or diagram. This can help anyone who may struggle with listening, memory, or reading.
Next, we have assistive technology for writing. There are numerous options out there for assistive technology tools that help students who have issues with the physical task of writing. Most tools help either the physical task of writing or help facilitate proper spelling, punctuation, grammar, word usage, and organization. Several categories that assistive technology for writing are abbreviation expanders, alternative keyboards, graphic organizers, and outlining, paper-based computer pens, portable word processors, proofreading software programs, speech recognition software programs, speech synthesizers or screen readers, talking spell checkers / electronic dictionaries, and word prediction software programs. First, I'm going to cover graphic outliners and outlining programs. So graphic outliners and outlining programs help students who have trouble organizing information for a writing project. These programs let a user put all the information in an unstructured way into the program and help organize the information into appropriate categories and into a functional order. The website Inspiration, which I have linked in the presentation, has many different diagrams and map views to organize ideas and support those main ideas. The next type of assistive technology for writing are handwriting tools. Handwriting tools can either be pencil grips or slant boards. Pencil grips help students hold a writing utensil properly to strengthen their writing skills, and they also have a more comfortable grip for students who struggle with the physical task of writing. Slant boards allow students more leverage to write in a neater fashion. Talking spell checkers read back a student's paper to them so they can hear the incorrect sentence structure or word spelling. The device highlights the selected words also on the screen so the user can see the mistakes. Most of these are available for download for free, or you can also purchase them for a yearly fee to be used on word processors. Our last assistive technology for writing are speech recognition software programs. The user will use a microphone with a word processor to dictate the words they want to appear on the screen. This is convenient for children who have a hard time typing. A person's oral skills must be significantly better than their writing skills, and an educator has to make sure the speaker speaks clearly. So as you can see, assistive technology for reading and writing is beneficial and crucial for students, especially with special needs, to be successful in their academics. These interventions will help a student gain confidence and become more independent. This is only the surface, and make sure you explore all other options because each student learns at a different rate.
Our questions are, the first one is, why is assistive technology beneficial? And the second is, what type of assistive technology for reading would you suggest for someone who struggles with reading their own notes as they write or struggles to focus on both the teacher and writing notes at the same time? Our last question is for you to go and take a look at Reading Rocket's website, and that will tell you more about assistive technology for writing. With that, explain what type of intervention you would think would be most effective and why.